This is a 1964 Pontiac Bonneville 389 4-barrel. This is a project car. We're going to walk you through the good and the bad on this. Go ahead and start it. Starts right up. That is a rebuilt engine. See, new battery. It is a 4-barrel. Car runs good. It's got good exhaust on it. Beautiful chrome. And I'll let you take it. Well, here, let's check the lights. There's the lights. Bright lights, one bulb is burned. Blinker. There's the other blinker. Okay, just pull it forward, Bri. Okay, I'll walk to the back. Okay, there's your brake lights. Do a blinker. The other side. Cool. You're good. You can shut her down. Everything works. Power top works beautifully. It has new hydraulic cylinders. Yeah. Take a look. You'll see as we go along the chrome and the trim. All glass is good all around. You'll see it in the pictures that I shot. This is going to need replacement here. Lower portion of the front fender. Doors look solid. Bottom rockers will need to be replaced. This quarter, lower quarter, you can see I just cut it out just to see where we're at. That was all bondoed up. And this back here looks pretty good. I don't think that needs to be replaced. Bumpers, again, good. No pitting. It's got the chrome tips that come through the bumper. Again, you'll see Bonneville. This is pretty solid here. This looks pretty good on this side. You'll see this was full of Bondo here to blend that out. This needs to be cut out from about this point down. Doors are good. Rockers look a little better on this side. And this lower quarter needs to be replaced. Again, I cut into that just to see what it was like. You'll see the rest of the fenders look good. The hood is excellent. Goes up and down good. Trunk, same way. The other major issue with the car is the frame. The frame is rusted. It's going to have to be straightened, welded, or braced, or replaced, whatever you choose to do. We'll take some pictures of the underside and show you that a little bit later. But everything works. Radio, heater, all the gauges. Car drives pretty good. Just really don't want to drive it with that until that frame and everything gets repaired. This is either going to be a good project car or a great parts car for someone that's restoring a 64. If you're interested, give Nick at Dream Cruise Classics a call. 586-453-9316.